As Lion Pride Adventures, we always pride ourselves to be the home for African safaris. So today, we're actually doing the comparison between the big cats of Maasai Mara, the home of the Great Wild Beast Migration, and the big cats of the Serengeti National Park. So just have a look at these two videos and compare which is the best pack when it comes to the big cats. Before you have a look at the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our other socials are right here. You can follow us too. So let's have a look at the videos of the big cats of the Maasai Mara. We're being welcomed to the Mara by these two huge brothers, and their pride is actually close by. Wow, look at how big they are. It's only at the beautiful Maasai Mara whereby you can be able to see the big cats like this. This is a beautiful pride. Those are juvenile females, lionesses. Their mother is right there, enjoying. Beautiful. They made a kill there. A buffalo. One has just woken up. Look at this lovely scene. The other ones are there, continue eating. The young cub is not yet satisfied. It's not yet satisfied. It's making a move to the carcass. The lionesses need about 5 kilos of meat per day, while the males need about 7 kilos of meat per day. But when they kill a big bull of buffalo like that, they can go up to 30 kilos of meat in one session. So the lioness is full there, and it's making our way. It's making its way close. Just look at this lovely, beautiful scene. Such a beautiful cat. Up close. It's coming next to me. Look at that. Look at that. Right next to my car. It's gonna sit down at the shed. Look at this lovely scene. Such a beautiful scene. The cubs are still here, going after the mom. Yeah. Oh. They're up there. I've just been informed that it's just behind our cruiser. Look at this, right there. Oh, there it goes. And one is down here. Look at that lovely stare from this awesome, beautiful cub. You only get this from Lion Pride Adventures, your home for African safari. Just beautiful and magical. Look at that. Look at that. Such a beautiful scene here in the Mara. I'm always happy when I come to the Mara because it never disappoints when it comes to the big cats, and they're there. So on this expedition, I'll be exploring the Mara. Tomorrow we'll be headed to the Serengeti, and then we'll make comparisons between the two big cats. The big cats of the Mara and the big cats of the Serengeti. After the Serengeti, we'll head to the Ngorongoro. The other lionesses are there finishing eating. Look at that up you see. Just beautiful. I don't know which way to turn the camera. This little lad here caught my eye. I'm now back to him.
front view, front picture.
Just have it. Beautiful. Lionesses are there. There's a big hill. I'll follow there. All this action is happening at the Mara. So if you want to come and explore this, book with us. Lion Pride Adventures, the home for African safaris, and you'll get to see up close sightings just like this. Beautiful. Just a beautiful scene. One of the guys is saying one of the big five is eating one of the big five. That's a good one. One of the big five is eating one of the big five.
Fresh kill, I think.
It's a fresh kill.
Yeah.
But steak this morning.
Yeah.
So these ones have had their kill. Have had their fill. The lionesses take about 5 kgs, 7 kgs of meat per day. Yeah. But when they have a big kill like this, they can go jump up to 30 kilos of meat in one session.
I think for 1 week or 5 days now they're enough.
Yeah. Because it's a big pride. Look at that. The lioness is now up. The beautiful big cats of the Mara. Oh, such a lovely scene. So they've finished the abdomen of the buffalo right now. They're continuing to eat. Once they're full, they leave this carcass here. One of the younger males or juvenile males will protect it, while the rest of the pride goes to sleep. And when they wake up, they continue feeding. So this is how the lions behave in the wild. And this is at the beautiful, awesome home of the great wild beast migration, and that's Maasai Mara. The rest of the pride is there, taking cover behind the shades of the vehicles to protect themselves from the beautiful sunlight. Oh, there you go. The lioness has moved its head from the abdomen right now, and it's continuing to eat. Such a beautiful sighting and beautiful scene here in the Mara. Their sharp canine teeth are now working, tearing the tough hide of the buffalo to get the softest spot and the meat from the legs and the thighs. Such a beautiful scene. Look at this. The lion is catching his her breath and then continuing to eat. Such a beautiful scene. Hope you enjoyed the big cats of the Maasai Mara. So now have a look at the big cats of the Serengeti. At the Serengeti we're also lucky too, because we're being welcomed by this beautiful pride, and they're just relaxing, most probably after a heavy meal. Look at that big male there. Oh, the lioness is trying to misbehave. Oh, slapped. Definitely, he has to discipline the lioness. And the king goes back to sit down. Look at that. This Serengeti pride has also made a kill, and the other lions have had their fill. It's now time for the little cubs to enjoy their meal too. They're trying to go for the soft spots of the Maasai giraffe. Such an epic sighting here at the Serengeti. The lioness mother is also close by, trying to see and inspect how the kids are enjoying their meal. The other members of the pride are relaxing under the tree like we first saw them. such a rare, beautiful sighting here at the Serengeti. So for those people who actually doubted, the lions can actually kill a giraffe. Even if the giraffe is the tallest mammal left on earth, the lions can also kill it. So finally guys, we've come to an end of this awesome, beautiful video. I hope you enjoyed the big cats of the Maasai Mara and you enjoyed the big cats of the Serengeti. So in the comment section below, please tell me which park is the best when it comes to the beautiful big cats. And if you're new to Lion Pride Adventures, please don't forget to follow us. Give this video a like, comment, and share it with your friends. Because from Lion Pride Adventures, it's adios. I'll catch you in the next one.